Yes, so welcome to a foreigner in the Philippines. Yeah, so I'm gonna transfer some of the plants to other pots that don't have yet. Ilisi ba kanang pu kana ba ibta butangi murag tambutso. Choy! Choy! Dali isa. Dali bi ang bata ko sili ang nanay. Takaw! Katong murag gabas. Sili ang murag gabas. Nakatsay buotan di ka patsay. To kusina, Choy! Ni Nanay Choy!
Panguhaan ang gagmay na lanang saha.
Yeah, so Nanay is ratatat. O sa nasa imong book. Nanay, o sa nasa imong
Para atuli.
para atuli. Nga di bang hatag ni jigjig na kay dagko nagatuli na. Para atuli.
Ang atuli. Very good, very good.
Ing naruhan nga dili ka mo kaon. Ing dili ka mo kaon. Ihatag ko na lang sa ni Batchoy. Batchoy! Batchoy!
Mali kay Mito.
Yeah, so this one we will transfer some of this, so we have another pots for this. Wa kay mo RJ?
Wala.
Yeah, so this one this is our water dispenser that just been broke, so we will gonna bring it for repair. Lakaw na, Choy! Yeah, so we do some clean up. Clean up here because the birds are been come and go and bring some grass. So the backpack has been clean. Nanay just went away. Terrence just been arrived from Taliban, bought some materials for the wall there in the guest house. The James has been working right now, so we're hoping that it's gonna be finished by Saturday. Next week we'll be able to do the painting. Yeah, so the one some shells that we bought in the market, so instead of throwing this one, I just displayed it, so it's nice. Other use that clamp for designing their plants. Kari jig po that jig. Butangi jig. Yeah. Nagbuto-buto.
Kani
Yeah, what I like is the difference between this and the plastic. The plastic in time it will broke down right away. Look at that. Whereas this one, this is around 35 pesos. This one is 35. But the difference, it long lasts as long as it will not be.
Ang magkako ko yung parang magnet. Diyan na 25.
As long as you will not break it.
Kung man laman,
Ugma ng ligo. Wow, gani ugma na ligo.
may kuan ay utak. Ngani na tanan ng tanom. Hindot na ni. Ano ba iko? Katingan ko sa sudan.
Yeah, this one also.
Nasi unod do pwede siguro na malungag bit no.
Suwaye ba niya? Kanon. Ano pa?
Baby.
Yeah, some kids went here the other week and do some clean up also here. And I let them planted this area here. Because sometimes those kids just message and saying, can we do some clean up? And I'll pay them for doing that. So they have something. So they're clean up this area. Ang kanta na din na sa bungot to ka ugma jik.
Parisa na mong mialok. Pwede sa lang pakantahan ba feel ba? Ano si practice niya?
Dapat jik.
Wala ko ipalit.
Ay man.
Libre ha, di mo bitin.
Unya na. Dapat kuhaan yung kay Mito jik. Pwede pwede na nako kuan.
Itanong na siya ta, dako lang na.
Ibalihin ako sa mga. Kanan naman. Kanan yung tagpino kayo. Ay, babukat ko bilangkat ko. Iyam ka naman. Tumbag ka.
Yes, okay. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.